In a latest development coming in amid the Delhi water crisis, Delhi Minister Gopal Rai, Saurabh Bhardwaj, Kailash Gehlot and Imran Hussain have written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi urging for his intervention in getting 100 MGD of Delhi's share of water from Haryana on priority. That's, of course, the latest that's coming in amidst the Delhi water crisis. My colleague Brian with us on the broadcast to give us more details on this. Brian, if you could take our viewers through what exactly AAP ministers have in fact written. They've of course written a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. What exactly have they said? Brian, can you hear me? Brian, if you can hear me. All right, I think we're facing some connection issue over there. But again, viewers, amidst the Delhi water crisis, of course, Aam Aadmi Party Minister Atishi is in fact holding an indefinite fast. And amidst all of this, Delhi ministers Gopal Rai, Saurabh Bhardwaj, Kailash Gehlot and Imran Hussain have now written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. They've urged for his intervention in getting 100 MGD of Delhi's share of water from Haryana as you know in priority. So of course that's the development that we're tracking for you. My colleague Anand Singh with us on the broadcast to give us more details on this. Anand, Aam Aadmi Party ministers have now written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. If you could take our viewers through the details of what exactly they have urged. All right, I think Anand, we've lost connection with Anand, but my colleague Shubh with us on the broadcast. Shubh, give our viewers the details on this letter that's been penned to Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Yes, definitely, because today is the fourth day of Atishi hunger strike, and she has, and not only Atishi, but also all Delhi cabinet ministers have written a letter to PMO, and they have said the intervention of the Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi into the Delhi ongoing crisis. And you know, the subject of the letter says that Haryana se Delhi ko haq ka 100 MGD पानी दिलाने का आग्रह, यानी they have said that appeal of to give Haryana provide water to Haryana, provide water from Haryana to the national capital as the Delhi gets its supply of water in 1005 MGD, and primarily it is dependent on Haryana for the water supply, and from Haryana Delhi gets 613 MGD of water. But Aam Aadmi Party ministers have been saying that since past 3 weeks 100 MGD water have been given less to the national capital, due to which lakhs of Delhiites are suffering in this scorching heat temperature, where temperature are dropping to more than 50 degrees Celsius. So in order to protest against the water shortage, Delhi ministers, all the Delhi ministers have written letter to the Prime Minister of India, where they have said that Prime Minister should intervene in the matter and should take this very seriously, as it is a matter of 3 crore Delhiites who have been suffering from the water shortages. Back to you.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.